Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to open multiple images in align in Photoshop. So get started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see multiple images in align. Now going to the file one option, then click. Now click from open option. Now select from image. Now click open. Now open the then picture. Now keyboard press from Ctrl A. Now move the real page. Now resize your picture. Now resize the picture. Then again another picture in Photoshop. Now click open. Now select from pic. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click open. Now you can see open the picture. In Photoshop, now first select from first picture and again same process. Now keyboard press from Ctrl A and move the in page united page. Now resize the picture. Then another picture in same process. Now you can see now select from all layer and 3 layer in image. Now select from all layer. Now going to the alignment option. Now select from align. That it's. Now you can see align picture in multiple picture in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe me.